This is an iPhone 6s that I got from eWaste a couple months ago, and it needed a new screen. It was previously very damaged with a non-OEM display on it. So I bought a good quality third-party display, and I'm going to put it on this device. This device also needs a new battery and dock connector, both of which I'm not going to buy off of eBay because I have spares around. So I started to put the display on the device, and after I did, I tried to power the phone on, but it kept boot looping, so it kept trying to power the device on, but it just did not turn on. To test the device, I took a chip out of an iPhone 6 battery, so then I could test it, but the iPhone 6 battery did not work good in the iPhone 6s. It would constantly restart and it wouldn't charge past 8%, but the screen worked fine. So I found an iPhone 6s battery in a drawer somewhere, and this battery has about 92% health on it, and it works great. It wasn't hard for me to find a charge port as I have plenty of iCloud locked iPhone 6s's laying around. But with that, this phone is restored into good condition, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you found this video entertaining, and goodbye.